Here's all you'll need for a lovely nutritious cauliflower soup. Star of the show. Sweet bell pepper, sweet carrots, a few little ones like that or one large one, large onion or a couple of smaller ones, as much or as little garlic as you'd like, and some chicken or vegetable stock. First thing we're going to do, get some oil into a pan, heat it up, then chop your cauliflower and in it goes. Pop the lid on and let that fry and steam for 5 minutes just to soften down your cauliflower. While your cauliflower's been cooking for a few minutes, chop your other veg and then it's in with those. And then it's the same thing, back on with the lid, turn your cooker down to low and let them steam and fry for 10 minutes just to soften everything down. Nicely softened down, time to go in with some seasoning. Your salt and cracked black pepper in there. Time to go in with your garlic. I love garlic, as you can see. Mix that around and give the garlic a minute to release its flavour. When your garlic's had a minute or two, it's time to go in with your stock. And you're going to pop the lid back on, turn your gas down to low or electric and simmer that for around 30 minutes until everything's really mushy soft. After it's been simmering away for 30 minutes or so, time to turn the heat off, let it cool down for a few minutes then, because you're going to put it into a blender. And you don't want to be putting boiling hot stuff into a blender. So into a blender with it all, and then you're going to get it blitzed up. Once you've battered it in the blender, back into the pan, then into a bowl, get yourself some crusty bread and enjoy. If it's a bit thicker than you normally enjoy it, just add some water into there to thin it down to whatever consistency you want.